Hello, I'm Tracy Falbe, Realtor with Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices, Michigan Real Estate, and today I'm showing off 144 East Hickory Road, Battle Creek. It's a waterfront property on Fine Lake, listed by Peggy Napier. Let's start taking a look at this property. It was built in 1964. It's listed for $499,900, and there's a great view of Fine Lake. And now let's talk about the details of the property. This house has 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths. The front porch is enclosed and is climate controlled in there now. And as you can see, it extends out onto this huge front deck that's very nice for enjoying the view of the lake. Now I'm down at the dock. The dock and the boat lift are included in the sale of the property. There is a covered seating area right there lakeside as well. Now I'm to the rear of this property. This property has 3 lots. So in the back there's a lot of outbuildings. Here you can see the boat, a garage, and then the pole barn for the RV storage. Now I'm on the other side of the RV storage. You can see there's a flat backyard with a nice lawn. So if you wanted to have a lawn and plant a garden or put up a fence for your dog, there's space back there. You're getting a view of more of the outbuildings now. There's the garage, there's some carports back there, and then we're going to go up to the property. Okay, we're looking at the plat map for this property. As I said, it has 3 lots. You can see at the top of this picture where it says Hickory Road, that's the waterfront that's on Fine Lake. That's where the front of the house is and the driveway to the first 2-car garage. And then you can see that's lot 18, that is the front lot, that is waterfront. And then behind it is lot 27 and 28 that are also included in this property. And that's where that nice flat green lawn is, and all of those outbuildings, the RV storage, the other garage, the boat storage, the carports. And at the bottom, if you can see it, it says Walnut Drive. That's like a dirt alleyway that goes around behind multiple houses. You access it just a couple driveways down Hickory Road, and so that's how you get around to the back. So you can come in at the front of the property, but if you want to use the storage areas, you come around back. Now you're seeing the side of a 2-car garage that connects with the driveway by the house that connects with Hickory Road out front. So we saw in the back, there's a back alley road that they call Walnut Drive that you loop around and can get to the back 2 lots that go with this house. And now we're going up to the front lot. And so this is the garage, the side of it. And then there's a nice walkway from the lawn area. And you'll see the house has a nice back deck too with a covered seating area. And that driveway you're seeing on the left connects with Hickory Road, as I said. Now let's take a look at that nice enclosed front porch. It has lots of windows so you can enjoy the lake in its entirety and the pretty views even if the weather is cold. Now if you'd like to see everything about this house and all the outbuildings in the back and the storage and the lawn and the boat lift and the dock and the lakeside seating and that great front deck, come by the open house at 144 East Hickory Road, Battle Creek on Fine Lake. I'll be there hosting the open house May 31st. That's this Saturday, 1 o'clock to 2:30 p.m. It is listed by Peggy Napier. If you'd like to talk to a buyer's agent, you may talk to me. You can contact me for a buyer's consultation anytime. My phone number is 269-967-6589. Thanks for watching.